We got our friend Noodle. Say ah for me, Noodle.
Ah.
It's got a ginormous tonsil stone in your throat there on your right tonsil. In fact, you thought you had an infection, right? And it turns out you don't have an infection. We're gonna see if we can't get that stone out for you. You watch the camera for me, Gons, and make sure that it's okay. I'm gonna go in there and get that dude. Say ah for me again. A little bit more. You gotta put your tongue down. There you go. There it is, right there, coming out. We numbed you up with some lidocaine wash, right? A little rinse. It's coming out. Oh, there goes a bunch of it right there. You got another one back here we're going to get for you, too. Man, we got a lot of stone work to do, Gons. You see that? Now, that one came loose right there. Okay, we're going to get this big one again. It's really stuck in there, bud.
Sorry.
You're going to have fresher breath. You're going to have better sex appeal. Once we get things out for you. No bleeding on that tonsil. The big stone. Let's get that one. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that stone. We got it, man. Ooh, man, that is huge. You won't believe that stone. Look at the size of that stone.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Okay, let's get back in there. Let's see what else.
Gosh.
To get out of there, it is right there. Can we get under it though? Yeah, there it is. All right. Another one.
Oh, that's gonna hurt later.
No, you just do some saltwater gargles, you'll be fine. So, okay, you're good.
All right.
You're good. Woo! Man, that was rough, wasn't it?
Oh wait, you didn't ask me the question.
Oh yeah. Is it okay if we video your procedure for YouTube?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, look at that shirt. I like the shirt.
Yeah, you like that? That's cool.
Yeah.
That's